There is a statistic that terrifies me. 90% of YouTube channels that start today will be inactive 90 days from now. Why? It's not because they lack talent. It's not because they lack gear. It's because they are operating on hope strategy. They upload randomly and hope something sticks. Yesterday, we fixed the backend settings of the channel. Today, we fix the mindset. If I want Rishni Tech to be a leading voice in tech education, I cannot guess. I need a roadmap. Today is day 2 of my 90-day sprint. And in the spirit of radical transparency, I am going to show you the exact blueprint Ivy developed to take this channel from where it is now to a sustainable revenue-generating machine in 3 months. No secrets! You're seeing the actual plan. Hello, everyone! Welcome back to Rishni Tech. I'm your host. Yesterday, we covered the technical foundation. Today, we cover the strategic structure. Let's dive into the 90-day plan. Before we talk about what videos I'm making, we need to define what success looks like in 90 days. If you don't have a destination, any road will get you there. For Rishni Tech, the goal for these 90 days is not just get subscribers. Subscribers are a vanity metric if they don't watch. My goal is authority, establishment, and sustainable systems. I have 3 concrete KPs, 4-day 91, content library, have 36 high-quality videos indexed by YouTube. 2. Search traffic. Generate 50% of my views from YouTube. Search. 3. Workflow mastery. Reduce my production time per video by 30% using templates and systems. Notice I didn't mention monetization yet. That's intentional. Trying to monetize before you have authority is like trying to harvest crops the day after you planted the seeds. The next 90 days are about planting. I've broken this down into 3 30-day phases. Phase 1 is the hardest month. This is where most people quit. The goal of month 1 is purely quality control and consistency. Right now, nobody knows who Rishni Tech is. The algorithm doesn't trust me yet. My job is to prove to YouTube that I am a reliable source of higher attention content. My strategy here is fix the pipes. Before I turn on the water pressure, I need to make sure the pipes aren't leaking. I am committing to 3 videos per week. The topics will be heavily focused on channel setup, basic gear, and workflow. Why? Because these are problems I am actively solving right now. It's authentic. Look at yesterday's video on 5 hidden settings. That is a perfect phase 1 video. It's helpful, it's searchable, and it establishes competence. The biggest danger in phase 1 is perfectionism. I know my videos right now won't be Spielberg-level quality, but they need to be good enough. Clear audio, 4K video, and immediate value. The goal is to build the habit of publishing even when it's uncomfortable. Once we hit day 30, the foundation should be set. My workflow will be faster. Now we pivot. Phase 2 is about search engine optimization. For a tech and education channel, browse traffic is unreliable at the start. The most reliable way to grow is to answer specific questions that people are typing into the search bar every single day. My strategy here is the specific solutions approach. Instead of a broad video like how to code, I'll make how to fix null pointer exceptions in Android Studio 2026. Instead of best cameras, I'll make best webcam settings for OBS streaming. These are lower competition topics, but the people searching for them are desperate for a solution. If I provide that solution quickly and clearly, they will subscribe. In month 2, I'm not trying to go viral. I'm trying to be helpful. I am building a library of evergreen content that will bring in views while I sleep for the next 2 years. This is where we secure our digital real estate. By day 60, if I execute the plan, I should have a small but growing stream of daily views from search. Now, in phase 3, we shift gears again. It's time to turn those searchers into subscribers. Phase 3 is about showing personality and depth. The strategy here is community priming. I will start using the community tab heavily polls, behind-the-scenes photos, asking what you want to see next. The video topics will shift from pure how-to tutorials to more opinion-based and strategic content. Things like why I switched from Windows to Mac for coding, or the future of AI in development. This type of content doesn't always rank well in search, but it builds massive trust with existing viewers. It shows I'm not just a robot reading a script. I have experience and opinions. This is the phase where we solidify the Rishni Tech brand voice before we look at serious monetization. That is the 90-day blueprint. Foundation, SEO, authority. It looks simple on paper. Executing it is going to be incredibly difficult. There will be days when a video flops. There will be days when I don't want to film, but by publishing this video, I am making a promise to you. You now have my roadmap. You can hold me accountable! If you come back in 45 days and I'm posting random cat videos, call me out in the comments. If you are serious about growing your own channel or mastering tech, I want you to take this journey with me. Don't just watch, build alongside me. If you appreciate this level of transparency, hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the results of this experiment. This is Rishni Tech, signing off from day 2. Let's get to work!